Hey everybody, how are you?
Hi friends, how are you?
Welcome to another episode on this wonderful Sunday.
Football season?
Yes.
Playoffs?
Wild card weekend.
That's right.
Although I know a lot of you don't care about football, but it is a big deal to us.
Yep.
So this is the Sunday before the 2022 RV Super Show
Right.
in Tampa, Florida.
And we are gearing up for that. I'm stupid excited. I was going to say super, but I'm stupid excited. The first time I'm going. I have
Yes.
not been. So we're really excited.
And this is going to be my second time there. Now, last time I was there, I didn't have a YouTube channel. So this will be the first time we're going with a YouTube channel.
Right.
And I've been spending the last few weeks setting up appointments with particular vendors of products and stuff like that I've bought and used and really found very good value. And you guys have all seen them there in the links below for all the products that I use. At any rate, we've set up some appointments to go meet with all of them and talk about them to hopefully get some specials for all you guys
But
moving forward. What?
this today is really about viewer's choice for the
Correct.
2022 Tampa RV show.
Yes, and I was getting to that.
Oh, you didn't have to say that.
She's right. This is the viewer's choice episode. So
Yeah.
what we want you to do, and leave in the comments below here,
Yep.
or on Facebook in our Facebook group page, or our Facebook My Bucket List Day page. Either way.
Call, text, say hello, yell, come see us. We
They
do
can't
all
call
that.
or text that.
Okay, all right. Just didn't do what he said.
Yeah, just do all the other things I said. But we'd like to hear from you. What would you like us to review, record, go look at on your behalf?
Yeah.
Whether it be an RV, a particular floor plan, a particular model, or accessories like
Yeah.
tire minders or snap pads or
Curtains.
all sorts of things. Curtains?
I don't even like curtains. Well, I do make curtains though, but it was a joke.
Okay.
Moving on.
And things like that. So, are there special things that you'd like to find out about at the show?
Oh, you're curious about it. The new brands coming out.
Right. What's new for 2022?
Yeah.
I will tell you a little sneak peek. I will be talking to a few folks about solar power and batteries
Yep.
because we are thinking about doing something on our rig
Can't
with
tell
solar and some other battery systems.
Ya.
If you guys saw that episode several episodes ago when we had to replace my batteries and put some AGM batteries in there, they work okay, but I would like some lithium. I have to be honest. That way I don't have to worry about them discharging only to 65% or actually 50%, where lithium you can go 100% down, which is much better. Any rate, so we would really like you guys to comment on what it is you'd like to see.
Audience participation. Say that 3 times fast. Participation.
She's still learning how to talk with her new
New
tongue.
teeth. New tongue. All of it's new.
It's all new.
I only have half of all of it.
That's right. So anyway, we would love your feedback on what you'd like to see. And we will be coming to you next Wednesday with a real short video. I don't want to say it's live, but it'll be from that day of some of the things we saw on Industry Day. We are going Tuesday for Industry Day. We have a lot of appointments set up for that.
Yeah, we're excited.
So we're going to be doing all of that.
Yeah.
And as you see, Joe's got
My bucket list day shirt.
new shirts. These are
Yeah.
some custom shirts that are not yet available to you guys, but will be soon. A custom shirt and my hat.
Yay!
These shirts, though, that I'm wearing right now are available to you guys right now with a link below where you can get these shirts. And Joanne did a good job. She picked out a couple, I shouldn't say a couple, about 5-6 styles for each saying or phrase of shirts.
Yeah.
So there's probably, I don't know, 20-30 different styles out there with all the different colors and things like that. And ladies, there's custom shirts made for ladies.
Yes, there are women's shirts.
Yes, not
Correct.
just regular t-shirts for everybody,
Week.
but ladies stuff.
That's
So there's plenty of that there. Go ahead and hit the link below here. I'll just list it right here too.
Yep.
So, but you can just click on the link and find that. Anyway, short video, getting ready for the RV show. We're excited about that. Anything else we want to cover?
Nothing. Just please let us know what you want to see. It's important because a lot of you guys can't get there, and there's some really cool stuff. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
So let us know whatever it is, and we'll do everything we can to oblige.
Right.
Okay?
And we want to share with you and make you part of this community, as we've
Right.
always said. And but before we go, we have to show you our little episode of Genius Ideas with Jeff. So this is something that I found that I think is fantastic. I think you guys are going to like.
Genius, I tell you.
It's genius.
Genius.
Genius idea. So take a look at this. Okay, I know this has happened to all of you. You've got a bolt in a tight spot where you can't get a nut. So in tight places, get yourself a little tape, wrap it around your finger in reverse with sticky side out. Put the nut on that, slide it in there. Boom, bang, you're done. All you do is thread it in and it's holding.
So we're back, and this one is now the world according to JoJo.
Oh, yes.
It's always
Because I have to live in that world.
But
Even
it's
though it may be different than the rest of our
a
worlds.
little scattered, a little quick, a little fast moving, a little disoriented sometimes. So here's the thing. Important today for me is this is a little more serious than normal. It's a pensive one. It's something to think about, and it's something I do every single day. Is just be grateful, really. Be grateful for everything and anything. More than anything, I'm grateful for the people in my life. Everybody. Everybody that I come across, we meet them for a reason. Everybody you talk to, you meet them for a reason. And everything that happens, whether it's good or bad, it's always for a reason. I taught that to him a while ago. Everything happens for a reason. And sometimes it takes us years to look back, right, and realize that. But just be grateful for all of it, good or bad. We've all been through some really bad times, but some really glorious times. And just be grateful for all of it because it all brings us to where we're supposed to be.
Okay. Is that it?
That's it.
Okay. Well, thank you all for watching. And for those of you that are new to this channel, please hit the like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more of this. And again, everybody, please leave your comments below on what you'd like us to review, see, talk about, information, anything RV related from this RV show that we're going to next week. Again, Wednesday we'll have a short little video, and then we'll have a bigger one next Sunday, really kind of recapping a lot of what we saw on the show.
Sunday may be difficult because it's the last day we have to move. He's just
No,
kidding.
That's a different Sunday.
Okay, just kidding. Sunday.
Yeah. See you then.
I'm here for the ride. See ya!
Bye.